Stygia, a beautiful world with pink sand beaches, friendly service, and giant meteor storms pummeling the surface. We're live from the Tempest Control Station thousands of feet above the ground, where powerful meteor shields protect the people below. But not today, because we've turned them off. Can Team Darkstar destroy the jamming devices and save Stygia? Only time will tell in this final round, as the fate of an entire planet rests in their hands.
How much of a jerk
you
can
will
you
have
be?
to use the lag starter to destroy the power units on either side of the force field. You must hurry. The people of Stygia are in danger.
Out of the way, fuck ass. Down to half of my HP and I don't even know how far I'm into this level. Amazing. Go me! Go shoot. Drop that. They aren't making this that hard, are they? Oh, come on, and Kaiser is still arguing. That dog barks all day long, how can he? German Shepherds are probably one of my favorite dog breeds. But damn, they bark! And they bark a lot. There's still one. I thought that one was the last. To buy the airport bringer, but I don't think I'll be guiding it in this playthrough, so you guys won't be able to see it. I think it's way too much money to get until the end.
Oh, Talk about bad luck. Team Darkstar has damaged the control tower. The shields are down. The shields are down. Was that too dramatic? Looks like Team Darkstar will have to turn on the shields manually. Too bad that's impossible. They'll need tech bots, supercomputers, and a big silver key. All right, I'm kidding about the key, but wouldn't that be great? It would be fun, wouldn't it?
I have a plan. If you can deactivate the lightning collectors, I can manually recalibrate them from here.
First one's taken care of.
No.
Boss, if you miss the swing shot, you will face a painful, horrible death. And no pressure.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Your info is very valuable. Anyways, it's time to change this one. Let me see if I can upgrade it. To these guys. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm dead. Great. Well, at least I can get ammo.
I have a plan. If you can deactivate the lightning collectors, I can manually recalibrate them from
Okay, it leveled up like I wanted. Level 7.
here.
Boss, if you miss the swing shot, you will face a painful, horrible death. And no pressure.
Shit. Wait, how did I lose that much HP?
Two down. Let's keep up the momentum.
Oh, crap! Ah, that really pissed me now. I'm
I
going
have a
to
plan.
stop
If
trying.
you can deactivate the lightning collectors, I can manually recalibrate them from here.
Boss, if you miss the swing shot, you will face a painful, horrible death. No pressure.
Stop shooting!
Three down, boss. We're almost there.
What's this piece of crap? Oh, whoa, whoa, sorry about that. Sure, take your time to start that. I know, it was basically my fault.
Sorry, food can't slang.
Heck the orbs.
Poor Ratchet, he's got a hover ship with no place to go. After recalibrating the lightning collectors, the next step was to hack the control points on the shield's core. Bingo, bango, the shields are up. Too bad the station's core took a direct hit. Too bad the radiation's everywhere. Too bad I said bingo, bango. Who writes this junk?
Sir, Merc and I will go. You brought us this far. We owe it to you.
We'll hack the core's control points. Just make sure you cover us with the hover ship.
Sir, we'll take care of the control points, but we'll need the hover ship to take us there.
Well, it should, of course, it had to be one of these. I'm dead. it's over.
Darkstar.
You can't stop 11 Neck. We adapt and survive.
If you say so.
Oh no! Dreadzone has launched an all-out assault on the shield generator. If Team Darkstar doesn't fend off the attack, the people of Stygia will be flattened like a pancake with syrup, butter, and a little orange garnish. Oh no! Can I have breakfast for dinner? Or is that just weird? Oh, right. Stygia, Team Darkstar, and Dreadzone bad guys. I'm on it.
How stupid can that guy be? I suppose you need to serve. Whoa! All. Wow. This was lame. Really lame. It only happened once. Calm your titties, will ya? I think I can get ammo just here. So yeah, that's good. I don't know why the hell I was shooting that. Now this one I need to destroy. Or maybe not. It's just shooting just because it could. Or maybe it's back for more, I don't know. It's back for more. It's over. Okay. Black metal! Whoa, this doesn't have any special challenges. So it's over. Time for Maraxus. We're actually nearing the end of the game, so let's go to the next planet